What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Here with the homie fucking Trippy Trip in the building with another Subaru video here. And of course, in the building we got the homie as a Flacco. He's gonna give us a great shout out because he's still practicing them.
Big shout out to the Stan Statics YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and be nice. Leave a comment.
Yes, sir.
Tell us
Damn,
what you
he's
guys
getting
think.
fucking better, bro. It's getting more natural. Damn, Trevor, what do you gotta say to your people right now, bro?
Thank you for supporting me and everything that you guys have done for us. We appreciate everything that you guys have done and being there for us whenever we make these videos and supporting us and supporting
Damn,
our
bro.
dreams and builds.
Shit.
It's really cool having an audience and someone to acknowledge our.
That's sick, bro.
I don't know,
This
our
guy's
builds.
like Abraham and Lincoln, the JDM style.
Because of the beard.
Fuck yeah, bro. All right, bros. So you guys know what we're here for. You guys read the title. We're about to install an aftermarket steering wheel on this Subaru. If you guys haven't seen the Subaru, there you guys have it. It's bagged and everything, boys. But yeah, let's get it. Let's make it a short video for you guys on how we installed this aftermarket steering wheel. So Trevor, shows that damn steering wheel, bro. Before you guys do any custom work, electrical thing, especially steering wheel, because of the airbag, remove the negative. You want that shit to pop in your face.
You can barely see it, but
Ooh, you could see that, boy. Turn it this way.
There you go.
there we go.
See? This thing right here, guys, is carbon fiber. Hold on. Let me get it. It's carbon fiber.
Carbon
You guys can see that, but
It's hard, huh?
Cars for hire.
it's
Carbon
all
fiber?
carbon. Red carbon, boys. And it's gonna go on the Subi. Fuck that steering wheel. We're taking that shit out. We told this guy since he first buys a car that this has to come off.
I would hit a big old pothole and it snaps, and I'm just like grabbing onto the center hub.
Sheesh. Alright, let's get it. So you got the energy,
The short
hub, and the adapter.
This
Quick
was the-
release.
This was the ding one. I think they're all ding. I think.
Yeah, it should be good. Alright, boys. We're back. Different freaking scenery here. We're at Flacco's house because it got too cold outside. Or for Flacco. It got too cold for Flacco.
I like comfort.
But we got Fabian in the fucking building. This is like the third video he's in here straight in a row, huh? Yeah. Shit. Breaking records, bro. He's a next apprentice, like.
He got
Here. His frustration level, what is it right now?
They calmed down a little bit, but I'm still
1 through 10.
frustrated.
What's your frustration level?
6.
6?
It was.
Damn, that higher? Fuck. You barely even started. He just literally took off the battery.
I say it's gonna be easy. Don't say it's gonna be easy.
For real. This guy yesterday? Was it yesterday?
Yeah.
I saw a video. I was like, bruh, you saw a video for that trunk setup over there. And that shit took how long, Fabian?
The video was like 10 minutes, and then it took us like 2 days.
Dude, that video was like 40 minutes. I had to chop up. That's bad. Okay, boys. The airbag is off.
Sure.
I'm gonna let him struggle a little bit, guys. That's how you teach a baby what to do. Just cut the wires.
Flacco, give me the wires or the snipper.
Ooh. Frustration level going to 8. Escalating real quick.
Yeah, it's not supposed to do that, I think. All right, guys, we'll get back to you here in 5 minutes.
Just fucking snip the wires out.
Yeah, you're right.
Just man. Try this on your own risk. Cut shit off if you really need to. Give it extra tails. There you go.
Right here.
Tell me you can't cut that either.
I'm just scared for this thing blowing up, dude. Like,
And now we're gonna remove the main bolt.
do you got a 10?
There. It's bigger than a 10, bro.
You got a.
Ain't no fucking 10, bro.
You got an 8?
Bro, 8? Really?
You got a 2? I don't know. Does it go up or down? I forgot.
Up, bro. 10.
Bro, I don't know. Everything's 10. Sometimes.
Hose exposed. I'm Stan Statics. Ooh, no, my mess.
You got it?
Yeah.
Ooh, that was quick.
Oh, that fire. The one that was on Donut Media.
Take it off.
He's like, it might be not wanting to come off, so you might have to go.
Yeah.
Wait, take the nut off? Take the nut off.
Dude, look it.
Take the nut off.
Bro.
You don't need it no more. Now bang it.
Nothing.
Help him, Fabian. Kick that shit. Kick it. Best solution. The other way.
Oh, this way, huh?
Alright.
I'm gonna push it.
This is the best solution for this, guys. Only do it if you're desperate. Just don't hit Trevor in the face.
Bro. Don't do it.
Ooh!
Hey, that
His
was hit me
face.
in the face. Dude.
I got that on video, bro. Oh, shit.
Damn. If
It is
anybody
off,
needs a
my
steering
boy.
wheel, hit me up. 350.
350. Back to here, guys. We're gonna go remove this plastic trim off the steering wheel. There's 2 bolts on the bottom, and then there's 2 more bolts on the bottom of that. Somehow, that's what he said.
Yeah, buddy Bob.
Yeah.
Taking forever, bro.
I know, but it's like...
Pinche pelo, mira, verga. You got some soft hair, bro.
Let's see.
You use head and shoulders? What do you use? Axe?
Fucking.
Dove. What fucking shampoo do you use, bro?
Harry's.
Harry's?
Harry's?
I'm fucking Harry.
You gotta remove this piece. This piece is what controls your blinkers.
To come back, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, it's my cruise control.
No.
Wait, I still...
That controls this.
What?
Well, what about my cruise control?
This shit's gone.
Yeah, it's gone, bro. Oh, you already cut it off, see?
Gone.
Dude,
Hurry up.
no.
You fucked up, my boy. Alright, guys, you remove that piece. Should come off. That controls your signal lights.
No, it won't come off.
So now when he churns, they don't turn off automatically anymore.
It's got these wires.
You gotta do it manually.
So what do I have to do?
Just cut them.
Do I just cut them?
This is the hub for the Subaru,
Wait.
the RX, SDI, and RS is all the same.
What are these wires?
So this right here is that's the model number, A7527B
It's open.
is the quick release.
Yeah, on the top.
This is universal, it fits with anything.
The top open. The top.
Pretty sure this fits with anything, any car.
I don't know. Yeah,
Yeah, because even here, even the top here, it's for any style steering wheel.
the hub is specific.
The hub is the only thing you need to get for your specific car. But this comes with instructions and all nice packed up by NRG. But remember, guys, he's sponsored by eBay, not NRG. There it is. I always set this whatever logo you have here on top facing upward, just to have it a nice look when you're parked. Tell them what's happening, bro.
Well, I don't have any screws for my steering wheel, I guess. It didn't come with my steering wheel.
I might have some.
Let's see. 6. You're gonna have to fucking
I'm gonna get you something today.
give him some head or something, bro.
I will give you some topa.
Some wowies. Alright, guys, let's head out. It's gonna get serious in here, bro. He got saved. Flaco has some from his setup that he didn't even end up using. I don't know why.
It's because when I bought my steering wheel, it came with these.
Alright, guys, we got this on the quick release part.
Don't scare me.
You just tighten it.
Now it's time for the steering wheel. Push it in there.
Don't you pull it back?
I think that's to take it off.
When you put it on, do you just push it on?
Just push it.
Ooh.
Spin it.
It's already, no?
That's it. I thought it was gonna ring.
I thought it was a bell.
Like this.
No, it's not that one. It's not that one. It's not. It's, see?
So if it's like this, you go.
Bop.
There we go.
Yeah.
That's what I was.
That we're talking about.
Call of Duty.
So when I put it on cricket. Okay, I'm not doing that.
Sometimes, bro. Sometimes you.
So you gotta
Damn.
like push it and then snap it, like.
Yeah.
Oh,
It
okay.
snaps.
Okay, I didn't snap it. That's why.
That's sick.
That sounds so fucking gorgeous,
What do you
dude.
think, bro? Give
I'm
me
gonna go to the
thoughts.
gas station and be like, hold on.
You don't even need a horn. You just do that.
I'll be like, hey, you're in my way.
Nah, you fell.
Well,
Fail,
whatever, I'm
bro.
done. I'm not messing with you.
Try it. See if you can put it on.
Dude, this feels nice. I like this one. This one feels more secure. I feel like I'd actually be safe.
It's sturdy.
That's nice. It's sturdy. Mine's like, dude, this one simple little bump, and I feel like it might just crack it.
Guys,
Looks better. Let me
guys,
see.
this guy's steering wheel didn't come with a horn or anything to cover this hole.
What kind of
Thing in the middle.
you know horn?
Let me put it even.
I'm gonna put this motherfucker in here. Right there.
Down.
I don't want to put it on the bolt though.
Yeah, you're right.
It's not-
Yeah, it's fine for now.
Like that, Vergas. There it is. Sponsored by NRG, my boy.
Just for now, it looks, I guess,
Yeah, it's better than not.
It's better than not having anything.
One of
I'm gonna
these,
get
my
my
boys. Damn. Sad. Look at that. Carbon fiber. Not safe, but looks clean.
What did you say? It's not safe.
There it is, boys.
Looks clean though. Looks way better. Compared to the shitty ass fucking Subaru.
They put the whole setup on here. It did not put the main nut that holds the hub down. No mames, wey. Bro. Talk to him, bro. Always, bro. So there you guys have it. We finally finished installing this freaking amazing looking steering wheel. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like always, smash the thumbs up button. Comment down below what you guys think about the new install. And always come back for them bangers. Tell you guys, this year, guys, we're trying to go pretty hard, you know, so stay tuned for more content. Keep building your cars, guys. Don't quit, don't stop. It's a new year. 2022 is gonna be popping for all you guys. I just know it, you know what I'm saying? And I hope these videos here motivates you guys to keep pushing it.
All right, guys. So yeah, we finished putting on the steering wheel. I am really excited on how it came out. It's different because it's more pushed into me, but I really do like it because I'm not so hugged into it. My feet are long, so when I'm right there, my feet are like that on the clutch. It's just,
Show his feet.
it was like that, dude. Like it sucked, bro. Like I hate
I like
it. I had
that.
to be close, but now this one I can be far back, gives me leg room. I like how it came out. The red looks really aggressive on it. Yeah, I love how it came out. Thanks to the crew for helping me out. They're always there for me. They're the ones that always help me put these things on. And if it wasn't for Stance Addicts, I wouldn't be here with all these mods and everything. It's
Hell yeah.
it's the group that makes it possible. So
I like that.
shout out to these guys for helping me and everything.
Look at the
I
smile.
love
Look
them to
at the
death.
smile.
Look at
Mira.
that.
Ah, vergas.
Hold on. Well, you still gotta appreciate the carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber. Boom, niggas. Alright, guys. Alright, guys. There you guys have it. We got another fucking video for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe down below. Comment. Tell me what your guys' thoughts. You know what I'm saying? Hope you guys have a safe weekend. Stay safe. Stay positive. And like that, boys. Stance Addicts. We out. Boys!